How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today we're going to the junkyard. So yeah, we're about to see what we can pull up over there. The homie invited me and I was like, fuck it, let's go, because I need to pick up some stuff for the 240. So yeah, we're gonna be in the MR2. So yeah, we'll probably catch you when we pick up my homie. Yee. Actually, the MR2 doesn't want to start. Gotta jump it.
Alright, we back home. MR2 died on us. Something's wrong with it, and we gotta get a tow home. That shit sucked dick. Huh, Julio?
Fucking like an hour just waiting.
Yeah, we were waiting at least in an hour. For an hour in the fucking blazing sun. It's like at least 100 degrees. That shit's dummy hot. But yeah, we're about to install the short shifter. Fucking clean as shit. So yeah, we'll probably get into that right now with the S13. So yeah. Alright boys, got the ISR fucking quick, what is it, short shifter out. Pretty clean. Came from this, actually is pretty fucking sick. So yeah, about to install this. Julio, have you ever done this before?
Nope.
So yeah, first time doing this shit, so let's fucking get it.
Face up. Oh, you're recording.
Alright, so while I was gone, I was going to record a charge the fucking camera. So yeah, now we're on the iPhone. Damn, this looks fucking good.
Does it?
Yeah, look at it.
Oh my. Oh, I saw the video. It's fucking like 60 FPS. Huh?
Yeah, it's crazy. Pretty clean. Alright. So you know what to do?
Yeah.
Alright, what do we do?
Take this.
Take this off?
Oh
sorry.
yeah, this just popped off.
It did, huh?
Yeah. We have no tools in here. And then
Oh, we just took it off. Clean. So yeah, just pop the fucking literally. Oh, don't show that, dude. Look at the fucking whole fucking dash is gonna come off.
It's sealed up with this.
But it's fine. So yeah, just literally just pop off your dash and then take off these 4 bolts, and then it can come off. Yeah. Nice. Dude, if this looks better than my actual camera, I'm just gonna sell the camera.
Yeah.
Get a GoPro. That'd be fire. Then I could do like. Alright. So get this bitch out. Just move it out the way. Fuck it. Now we just gotta fucking.
Not lose the screws.
Okay, don't lose the screws. See? Nice. I would've lost the screws right now.
We only have 3, but there should be 4.
Oh, another one right here, huh?
Well, it's on this
Oh, no, it's on that side now. Oh, okay.
side. And then
Fucking beam music in the back. Man, the e-brake's in the way. We just start rolling.
I felt that.
Dude, it's still in the way. Fuck it, we're gonna go like this. Oh, me. Boot came off. Thing came off. Oh, I'm missing a whole ass bolt. Bruh. Bruh, you fucking serious right now? Missing a whole ass bolt. So now what?
Can I wipe this off on here?
Yeah, wipe it on top. Fuck it.
Now we have to take off.
These bolts?
Yeah, those bolts.
What are they, 12s?
Yeah, they look like 12s.
Alright. Alright. Gotta get this shit out, Julio.
We're gonna be here for days.
Fucking bolts are in there. Oh my
They're
god.
in there like swimwear.
In there like swimwear. Squidward.
See, fucker.
You can't get it?
No. Oh, no.
What would be easier to fucking grab it with? You have no play, huh? Huh? Neither do I. Dude, the guy that did it, literally, it was so easy for him. Oh shit, fucking camera. It was so easy for him. He just stuck in a wrench and he just took it out.
Like one of these?
Yeah.
I can try it the other way, like this.
Try it.
Fuck it. That's probably how he did it, huh? Put this in.
After years of work.
Put it in there.
There has to be an easier way. Hold on, I'm gonna go look. Drill holes in it? Oh my. Nah, I'm gonna look at a video real quick here, though. Julio, what the fuck are you doing in my car?
Fucking fingering that shit.
Dude, stop. Get out of there.
Oh god, it's about to come.
Nigga. It's gonna nut.
Fuck.
Oh, he's nutty. Nigga.
My fucking arm, I can't. Oh, bitch. Oh,
Dude, you're almost there.
we're almost there. It's almost out.
Are you really? Is it
No, yeah.
almost- What about the other one? Is the other one fucked?
I'll get it out the same way. Oh, fucking hell, my arm.
That's what she said.
It's out. It's coming.
Oh shit! Get it
I don't
out.
think it's blown out.
What do you mean?
It's too tall.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're lying. It's too tall.
No, I'm being serious.
What the fuck? You're lying.
Look, you don't hear that?
Oh. What the fuck? Mate, why does anything go to plan? How the fuck are the bolts too tall? Bro, there has to be a way we can get in there. Oh my god, this fucking camera didn't charge, but it's fine. Okay, now we have that bullshit out. Finally. No one's about to go in.
Gasket.
It's gas. Wait, what do we do with that white thing at the bottom?
That?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah.
That's what goes in there. It goes in here.
Oh,
We
okay.
gotta get that into that hole.
Get her done.
And we gotta get the screws in. I'm trying to see which one the gasket is first. Because it's right here.
Oh my.
Because it fucking grabs the force from this, so I'll fucking do that.
Alright then. So I have that shit finally. We couldn't find a fucking washer for the bolt, so we're just gonna use the same bolt. Fuck it, but make sure you get a washer, because if not, you may or may not be fucked in the future. So yeah, just fucking grab one, but it's fine. So yeah, short clips. Does one move?
Alright, which one's not getting a bolt?
The same one, I guess.
Same one?
Do you remember which one it was?
It was this one.
Oh, the same one's not getting a bolt?
Yeah.
I think I could probably find a 12.
You wanna look for one?
Yeah, I'll go look for one. This is on me, dude. So, getting this bitch in
Finally, that's fucking struggling with the gasket.
for millenniums. Fuck that gasket, dude. It's so hard. I'm pretty sure you could actually stick it on to the short shifter. Little gold. I'm pretty sure you can stick it on there. There's that. We were too lazy and we just decided to say fuck it, mate. So yeah, gonna get that on, tighten these down, and try to get the bolts that go all the way in fucking there. So yeah. I'm on fucking bolt dropping duty. Look at this bolt right there. You have to grab it with a fucking fishing pole because it's not fucking long enough. Where the fuck is it? Got one. Dude, I actually hit them clean as fuck right now. I can't grab it. Come on, bitch. No! Fuck. Let's see part 2. Let's see if we can get it in. I'm here with my fishing pole on the fucking floor.
Oh man.
Get it.
I don't even fucking see the hole. Fuck.
No, he dropped it again. There it is. Pray for me, guys. You got this, don't even worry. You got this, come on. I'm still on the floor on bolt dropping duty. Oh, is it going in? He feels it. Go, 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 go.
Oh,
You got it?
yeah.
Oh, let's fucking go, boys. Let's fucking go. Now we just gotta screw the rest of this shit in. We can put the stupid fishing pole away.
Oh, thank
Fuck you, fishing pole. Let it be known. It's fine. Right? Damn, I mean, shit's insane.
How much it goes?
Dude, there's no fucking play. Oh, we need to... I don't even know what gear I'm in.
I don't know, cause it's just like it doesn't go sideways, huh?
Yeah.
First, second. third or fifth. Fuck, you have to put hella fucking forks to do the side ones.
Shit. What have I done?
What have you done?
We'll see.
Let's see when you fucking drive it.
What if we did this wrong? No, it's not supposed to be that hard.
What do you mean?
I don't know what it's supposed to be. I don't know, because I feel like the people that install them, like, it's a lot easier for them to do shit.
To install it?
No, to like, I feel like it's easier for them to shift and stuff.
No, I don't know there. I don't know how fucking.
Maybe I just have to get used to it.
Probably.
Fuck it, mate. Install. My boys be back. I'm chilling.
Fucking comfortable.
Comfortable as fuck. I could nap. I switched spots because he told me to, but we got one side of the bolt, one bolt side in, and then the other one needs to go in on the other side. So yeah.
Been here for a while.
We've been here. Look at this fucking lighting. I'm pretty sure the lighting changed throughout the video. How do you feel, Julio?
Fucking tired of this bullshit. Who the fuck made this?
Julio's getting depressed.
Tired of it.
That's hard. Damn. Hurry up, Julio.
Almost done.
Really? We're almost fucking done. It's just a matter of stupid ass fucking bolt won't go in.
Son of a bitch doesn't even have good fucking wrenches either.
Facts. I don't have the fucking swivel ones. I swear, if we would have swivel wrenches, this shit would be
fucking done yesterday.
It would be... You right.
We have what we have.
Fuck it is what it is.
It is what it is. Took too long.
Took too fucking long, but we got it fucking in. And I don't know how I feel about it anymore. I want it out now. Julio, take it out.
Honestly, it's gonna be easy. Putting that shit in.
It's gonna be easier putting it in?
And putting it in.
Oh.
Actually, no, because then you'd have to put the other one back in there.
Insanity. Alright, boys. We're back on the G7X. Oh, I don't even know if I'm holding the camera, if I'm even blocking the mic. Shit on my dick. Finally got it in.
Fucking too long. Like 10 hours.
Dude, there's literally no play. I don't know if you guys have seen the old video, but it actually runs really smooth. Huh. What do you think?
I don't know. It's like...
It's really hard, but
Yeah.
I think it's because it's new though. I think we have to break it in. Right. You better go for test drive. Let's see.
Better be worth it for how long it took to install.
Facts, huh? Alright. Drive. Whoa, it feels fucking weird. I don't know how I feel about it.
Shit! Oh my.
Bolted on. Oh shit. Fuck. Go back. Just go slow. Dude. It's falling off. Adventures. Adventures. Fuck. No hood. No hood now. No hood gang. Almost fell off. I can't get over it now. It feels so much better. Fucking shit. I have the boy Julio trying to get my fucking key. You can't put it in all the way, or else it won't work.
No?
Nah.
Oh shit.
Stuck? You have to like barely put it in.
Yeah?
Yeah, literally just the tip. Oh yeah, daddy. Oh yeah, daddy.
You can't like push it in actually. Wait. Shit, it locks it.
Oh.
Oh shit. You want it on?
No. Just close the windows.
We did it.
We did it after. Realistically, it was like 5 minutes we were here. You know. So yeah. That's it for today's video, boys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, any words, Julio?
Sayonara to the next one.
Sayonara to the next one. Peace.